send it on over to Neda for a check on the forecast.
All right, Jacqueline, thank you very much, and good morning, everybody. Here's a live look right now. What a cool shot. You can see Alcatraz off in the distance. There's the Argonaut Hotel right there by Pier 39. Our photographer Chris is out there, and of course, you can definitely tell it's foggy this morning, but a lot of birds are out and about. Same with joggers. Right now is a pretty decent time to get outside as long as you have a sweater on. It does feel a little cool, a little damp out there. We have some moisture out in the skies this morning. Here's a live look also from our KPIX 5 roof camera of the Bay Bridge. Where is it? You could only see the bottom road there. Here's a look at temperatures. 52 in San Francisco, just lost a degree. Oakland at 56 and Concord at 59 degrees. So yes, this is the coolest time of the day. Also the time when visibility is very low. It continues to drop for probably the next couple hours before a lot of this will eventually burn off. But Half Moon Bay visibility now down to 1.7. In Petaluma, it has been very low all morning, down to a third mile. In Santa Rosa, less than a mile visibility. Our wind speeds right now, not too breezy, but they are coming in from the west, so that's bringing in some of that cooler air. It's also what's pushing in the cloud coverage to even places like Fairfield and Vallejo this morning. A southwest wind there has not let up in Fairfield, 21 mile per hour sustained winds. Napa also a little breezy, but thanks to the wind, our air quality is doing a lot better than some of the fire zones. So of course the fires are burning to the north and east of us, keeping the North Bay and East Bay in the moderate range today. So once the clouds burn off, you'll probably notice a little smoky, hazy conditions out there. What's also going to happen today, temperatures dropping off ever so slightly. This ridge is slowly moving a little bit more to the east. This low's coming through, and that's actually going to help drop those temperatures. Inland communities, though, still mostly in the 80s for a lot of you. Low 90s for Morgan Hill, but 86 in Campbell, 81 in Sunnyvale, 77 in Los Altos, Fremont, 76 degrees. It's staying cool by the water yet again, but that's not the case yet again for the East Bay, where temperatures are in the upper 80s and low 90s. But yesterday, we saw warmer conditions. It was 94 degrees in Concord. In San Francisco, it was 61 degrees. So quite a difference. It's going to be below average yet again today for San Francisco, Sausalito. This is where that heat will continue. Temperatures in the mid to upper 90s for Lakeport and Clear Lake. So Mendocino County, of course, where the complex fires are burning, that's definitely going to be another hot one. Also by the Carr Fire, it is going to be warm. But this ridge is going to eventually move a little bit more over Arizona and New Mexico. So that means temperatures will drop a little bit more. By the time the weekend rolls around, we'll go from the 90s to the 80s, which will be much needed relief. But then you know what? After that, temperatures are back up to warmer weather. So that 7-day forecast shows that here for the inland communities, from the 90s to the upper 80s for Friday, and then 87 on Saturday and Sunday. But then we're back up to the 90s again for Monday and Tuesday. The consistency is right here by the coast. Michelle.